Today we will introduce the basic tips of the KingDraw beta version. The picture can be copied to the canvas in the new KDX file. We just need Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V. The picture is in it. Cyclo 18 carbon ring on the cover of the science magazine. Similarly, we can copy this pic to the canvas. You can see the introduction here. We will provide the related picture of Wikipedia. Copied here, we can move and change its size. This picture is on our Twitter, Facebook, and other social media. We also have many compound pictures like this. If you want more, don't forget to follow us. Scan the code to get the structure on mobile phone. You will save the time. Now we can adjust its scale. Let's draw the structure on KingDraw. First, select snaking chain and draw on the canvas. Here we can get a chain. We can check the number of carbon atoms by chemical properties. We need to get a chain of 19 carbons, and then drag one endpoint to connect it with the other. Then we get an 18 carbon ring. Here's a trick: select this chain and then use the cleanup tool. You can get a perfect ring. Then we check the chemical properties. Next, we need to add triple bonds to clear the hydrogen. When we finished, you can get a perfect ring with only carbon atoms. You can also zoom it out. Let's take a look at the 3D visualization of this one. We can drag and rotate and change the style of the 3D model. There are 3 models can be seen: ball and stick model, stick and stick model, and space filling models. Okay, this video is here. Thanks for watching. If you want to see any tricks about KingDraw, please leave a message below this video. See you next time.